Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for watching my video, and do all that good YouTube stuff. Share it, like it, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, subscribe, all the things that you do. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and saving some money perhaps. I also invite you to check out the links in the description for some long-term savings with the stock market. 2014 Toyota Tundra, automatic transmission, drain and fill. Got a drain plug here. We've got our fluid level check plug here, and then on the other side, on the driver's side, I believe, larger bolt. Fill plug right there. So those are the three things. So we're going to take this out. I'm going to catch it in this container so I can actually measure it and put pretty much the same amount back in, get real close. That's a 14 millimeter. So we're just going to take that out. Everything is going to be left to loosen, right to tighten. We'll take that out and let fluid flow out into my container. So really nothing to it. Transmission fluid's draining out into my bucket. Just let it drain till it dribbles out. And this is going to be a 5 millimeter Allen for the check. This is a 24 millimeter socket for the larger bolt on the side for refilling. Refilling might be tricky, of course, because it's up there, so you probably need to buy some. They do have bottle pumps that you can buy at your local parts store that you can hook onto a bottle and pump away. So that might be something to consider buying, because you're going to have to get up there and put fluid in, of course. So there's that. What we're going to do, put the plug in, tighten it. Going to measure the fluid in the jug, and then we're going to add that much, maybe a pinch more, into the fill hole, and we'll probably be running it as my guess, and then we'll be, while it's running, we'll be checking at the check plug. So we got this nice pressurized pumper going up into the hole. So we'll just pump our 2.5 to 3-ish in there, and we'll run it for a little while, run it through the gears, and then we'll drain it and fill it again. All right, we're at 104 or 105 on our scan tool. And it's not dribbling out, so we should add some more. A little bit more. We've added more. We've added more fluid. We'll see this. What happens now? Oh, still not coming out. We'll have to add more. All right, we're pumping more fluid in. Let's see what happens here. We'll leave that out until we see some fluid. Oh, there we go. We'll shut the valve here. There we go. So I think I put in closer to 3.5 quarts to get this to dribble out. We're pretty good. I'm okay with that. 102, 101. So it's about 10 degrees cooler than I'm reading on the scan tool. We'll tighten that up. We'll put our plug back in. We'll snug them down. And that is replacing your transmission fluid. Toyota Tundra, 2014, another model years.